Bloomberg. Now, so many people have a problem when it comes to their portfolio. Many times they're top heavy in one sector versus another sector. Or they're top heavy with regards to going long versus going short. They just cannot seem to find that right blend, that diversification that they need to get PAID continually. Well, I'm going to give you one excellent way of diversifying your portfolio while you are maximizing your profit potential and minimizing your risk. Now, for investors, advisors, and traders, all of which are planning for income, there has been a consistent and escalating challenge for more than a decade. More recently, we have seen a yield curve inversion, a recession, and a 10-year Treasury drop to historic lows at just over 0.50%. Today, plan implementation with traditional bonds is as challenging as it has ever been. While inventories are light, spreads are tight, and yields are hard to come by. At the same time, we have seen a massive rise in availability and adoption of fixed income exchange traded funds, that's ETFs. Yes, we have seen them as a viable alternative to achieve diversified exposure in the fixed income markets. Listen to me closely. According to Bloomberg, U.S. fixed income ETF assets are nearing $1 trillion. And additionally, fixed income ETF growth has spanned all areas of the fixed income market and now offers easy access and diversification opportunities previously not readily available to you, me, we, the beloved Assel's Wilson Stu family. Let us consider the benefits of fixed income ETFs at this time, shall we? Let us consider the benefits of fixed income ETFs to diversify exposure and offer liquidity, as well as the use of active management to provide opportunities to tactfully manage fixed income allocations across sectors not easily replicated through individual bond portfolios. Practitioners of portfolio construction understand that diversification across asset classes, market capitalizations, and global regions are the basis for sound portfolio construction. However, many investors spend a lot of time indeed, focused on diversifying equity and very little on fixed income. In fact, diversification is perhaps the biggest challenge individual fixed income investors face when trying to construct portfolios using individual bonds. Often, we see the use of corporate, municipal, or some other single type of issuance where size limitations make it difficult to diversify sectors and individual issuer risk. This is where ETFs may provide some viable solutions by providing access to expertise and scale in a diversified product that trades in the open market. Let me give you an example. An investor could create a portfolio to include ETFs across multiple fixed income types, disciplines, credit qualities, and maturities with just a handful of purchases. It is now possible with just a few trades to gain diversified exposure across mortgage-backed securities, municipal bonds, corporate bonds, convertible bonds, treasury inflation-protected securities, also known as TIPS, and dividend equity. You see, the ETF format makes it easier to create a portfolio that can generate yield while also controlling interest rate sensitivity and other risks through weighting and rebalancing. Now, active management is another interesting feature of ETFs. In this case, active management is the ability for an investor to technically buy or sell a specific ETF representing part of the fixed income market, or use ETFs with managers that actively manage the exposure within the product. Now, in both cases, ETFs provide a simple and expedient way to align portfolio positioning with an overall market outlook. Now, active management can be extremely important in the management of risk, especially when the fixed income landscape seems to adjust often. Now, mortgage-backed securities are an excellent example of this point, whereby the economic and interest rate environment can have a significant impact on this sector through prepayment, extension, and default risk. This is just one example of an actively managed sector. ETFs now provide much more than simple index replication. Today, you and me, we the beloved Asset Wealth Street family, we can find ETFs across the spectrum of fixed income and target a particular strategy based on the outlook, whether we are attempting to mitigate risk or take advantage of a particular opportunity. Liquidity. Yes, liquidity has long been a concern in the fixed income markets, particularly in highly stressed and volatile periods like that of 2007-2008, and more recently in 2020. It is important, beloved, to acknowledge that whether you use individual bonds or ETFs, market conditions can expose you. If you are in the bond sector at a particular time as a bond investor, it can expose you to liquidity constraints. That was certainly the case in 2020 when liquidity for even high-quality bonds came into question. However, as a result of the growth and widespread adoption of fixed income ETFs, the category held up exceptionally well in those volatile markets. This is not to say that the underlying bonds in an ETF are not subject to the same challenges. However, when intraday trading and an active ticker symbol, when you put those two together with a price, fixed income ETFs can provide real price transparency and a liquid market. In addition, ETFs have institutions serving as authorized participants who, much like a market maker, commit to keep a fair and orderly market as they manage the creation and redemption process. An authorized participant has the ability to take ownership of and hold bonds in the redemption process, which provides liquidity to an ETF investor. Whether, beloved, you are using fixed income to generate a flow of income or mitigate risk, asset allocation and diversification is the foundation of sound portfolio construction. Today's fixed income markets provide an array of diverse tools to accomplish almost any goal you so desire. Whether you're using individual bonds, alternative investments, or fixed income ETFs, now you have greater flexibility and opportunities for diversification than ever before. Family members, utilizing ETFs intelligently can allow you to have the quality and the extent of diversification that your portfolio so desires.